Dr. Frausto and I began teaching the Temps Beyond course a couple years ago. We did it for you guys. We want the assistants to have more fun at the convention.
I think that the variability of what we're doing is the difference. You go to a temporary course and you can spend a full day doing a bunch of temps and getting that process down, but the fact is everybody's at a different place. The big thing for us is we kind of tailor it to each individual dental assistant. Not only are you getting temporaries that they can go and implement on Monday morning, doing a crown, doing a bridge, doing an anterior aesthetic, doing veneers, doing all these things. We also teach them how to do flippers, things like that. The temporary course usually doesn't cover those kind of processes they're going to learn in this course.
It's time for you to be empowered to know how to do this for yourself, to tell the doctor, no, don't worry, I got this.
Sending your staff member to this course, they're going to get the confidence and they're going to also get the clinical application to learn to be able to implement these things. Monday morning, they're ready to rock. They've seen it, they've done it, they've asked the questions. It's a small group format, so they're really getting some detailed instruction.
We're gonna tell you how to manipulate these materials in a way that you can take back to your office on Monday and implement new techniques that your doctor might not even know. We want you to be able to take care of your patients, and you're gonna leave this course with the skills and power to do that.